Yo, what is up people, welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me Vichy Kevin, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining you guys how you guys can log in into ESPN. But before I teach you guys how you guys can log in into ESPN, I'm going to be giving you guys a short description about it. Alright, so for those people who do not know ESPN is a website where you guys can watch live stream of football and any other sports related event or get news on any sports related event. Alright, so that's basically the short description of ESPN. So let me tell you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before I tell you guys how you guys can log in into it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for ESPN login. After you search for ESPN login, you want to click on where it says ESPN service sports fan anytime anywhere. You want to click on it and it's going to take you to the official website of ESPN. Once you guys are in the official website of ESPN, you want to click on this little option over here, like a profile picture looking thing. Once you click on it, you want to go on where it says login. Once you click on login, a little pop-up menu is going to come over here where you guys can enter your username or your email, whichever thing you used when you created your ESPN account. After entering that, you want to enter the password over here. After doing that, you want to click on login, and if the username you entered over here is correct and the password over here is correct as well, then basically you should be able to log in into your ESPN account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your ESPN account. And if you guys are not able to, then basically your password or your username is incorrect, so make sure to type the correct one and you guys are good to go and you should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys do not have an account and you want to create an account, you can click on where it says sign up, and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can sign up for ESPN and you can fill up the form and sign up for ESPN. So that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay tuned on our channel One to Step until our next video. Bye bye until then.